Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add ChatGPT AI widget to your Motorola Moto G32. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and inside find an app called AI Chat Wally. Install this app. When it's ready, click on the open. Move through the introduction or read it if you like. And here we'll need to allow the permission to display this app over the other apps. And now go back, click on the start. And here you should be able to see this floating icon. And if you click on it, this chat should pop up. Now you can ask it anything. So let's go for tell a joke. And here's the message. Now to close it, simply click anywhere on your screen, and if you have a problem with X button right here and it doesn't disappear, then simply move around this icon and it should be gone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.